Unlocking income, 5 proven ways to make money with AI today. Utilizing AI tools for freelancing can significantly boost your productivity and income potential. Creating AI-driven products opens up new markets, attracting customers seeking innovative solutions. AI enhances investment analysis, helping you make smarter financial decisions and maximize profits. Successful entrepreneurs like Andrew Ng have harnessed AI to create lucrative businesses and impactful solutions. Diverse income streams from AI include consulting, product development, and automated trading strategies. Subscribe for more insights on making money with AI.